Hello students, today we will study our plus 2 physics first unit, electrostatics. Now the first question arises, what is electrostatics? Electrostatics क्या होती है? Now the term electrostatics contains two words. Number one is electro and second word is statics. Electro stands for electric charges and static means in the state of rest. And when we combine the meaning of these two words, electrostatic means it is that branch of physics in which we deals with the study of electric charges which are in the state of rest. Now, our second question arises, how we can produce such static charges? So, to produce the static charges, when we rub two suitable insulating bodies against each other, then due to friction, both the bodies acquire equal and opposite charge by the net transfer of electrons from one body to another body. Now, our third question arises, why two insulating bodies acquire equal and opposite charge after rubbing? Now, when we rub two suitable insulating bodies against each other, then due to friction, heat is produced. And by using this heat energy, one of the body lose the electron and other body gain the same number of electrons, and due to this reason both the bodies acquire equal and opposite charge. For example, when glass rod rub against the silk cloth, then after rubbing, glass rod acquire the positive charge and the silk cloth acquire the negative charge in equal amount. Second example is when ebonite rod rubbed against cat skin or fur or wool, Then after rubbing, the cat skin or fur or wool acquire the positive charge and the ebonite rod acquire the equal amount of negative charge. Similarly, our third example is when we comb our dry hairs, then our dry hair acquire the positive charge and plastic comb acquire the same amount of negative charge. Now, the next question arises, why the glass rod acquire the positive charge and silk rod acquire the negative charge in equal amount after rubbing. Now let us consider, this is our glass rod and this is the silk cloth. When we rub these two insulating bodies against each other, then after rubbing, the glass rod acquire the positive charge and silk cloth acquire the equal amount of negative charge. This is because the glass rod work function is less, means atoms of the glass rod required small amount of heat energy to comes out from the atom of the glass rod, and hence they acquire the positive charge easily. On the other hand, the work function of the silk cloth is large, hence the electrons of the atoms of the silk cloth require large energy so that they cannot be easily comes out from the atoms of the silk cloth. Due to this reason, when we rub the glass rod against the silk cloth, by gaining a very little amount of heat energy, atoms of the glass rod, that is electrons of the glass rod atoms, easily comes out, and hence glass rod acquire the positive charge and the silk cloth gain the same amount of electrons and acquire the equal amount of negative charge. Due to this reason, glass rod after rubbing always acquire positive charge and the silk cloth acquire the equal amount of negative charge by the net transfer of the electrons from glass rod to the silk cloth. Now, by rubbing or due to the friction between two suitable bodies, charges are developed on both the bodies, which are called static charges. and due to these charges an electricity is produced, and this electricity is known as frictional electricity, and it is also known as static electricity. Hence we can define frictional electricity is that electricity which is produced on the bodies due to friction between them, and this electricity is produced by the static charges, and hence it is also known as static electricity. Static electricity. For example, if we take a balloon and bring this balloon near the small pieces of paper, then there is no action between them. But when we rub this balloon against the hairs, our dry hair, and now put this balloon near the paper straws, paper pieces, they are attracted by the balloon. It means, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जब हमने बैलून को अपने ड्राई हेयर के साथ रब किया, and due to the friction, due to rubbing, the balloon gets charged, it gets electrified, इसके ऊपर चार्ज आ गया, and when we put this balloon near the small pieces of paper, these pieces are attracted by the balloon. This is because due to induction, charges are also developed in the paper pieces, and there is a force of attraction is produced between the balloon and these paper pieces, and hence these small pieces of paper are attracted by the balloon. Thank you very much.